Okay, this is what I got for you today, guys. I got an unboxing video that we're gonna do, and I got some channel updates. That's what we're gonna do in the video. I got a box from Eastwood here, but first, before we get to that, I want to give a shout out to this gentleman and his channel for supporting me and always giving me comments and good advice. I got one of his t-shirts here. They're a high quality build t-shirt. Good graphics. But anyway, you can go visit his channel. I'll leave a link in the description. He's got great YouTube content. Lots of videos. He's uploading all the time. So there's a lot you can learn from this gentleman right here. But moving on, we're going to go ahead and do our unboxing video. I got some other things to unbox. We got these bumper bars to do. So we got a Eastwood discus air dryer. I've got some updates. Some things have happened since the last time I posted. But we got this Eastwood system here. This is what I ordered. It comes packaged like this. We're gonna do, you get an accessory box and all that nonsense. We need my knife. But yeah, we had a few little issues, but we're gonna overcome it. Get your accessories, which is your little regulator and all that stuff. And this is from Eastwood. You can get stuff from them. And that's the desiccant replacement filter, the QC3. That's what this is an equivalent to. But I'm going to tell you why we've got that, and then we'll unbox the other one. We had a little problem with our air compressor over here. It's got a burn up motor on it. The motor finally burnt out. It did have a fall years ago and finally gave it to go. So we couldn't do any work. But I went ahead and bought this one. This is the one from Lowe's. But that's the big update. So now we have an 80-gallon, the Cobalt Air compressor here, and I'll go ahead and get that wired up and everything so that we can get to our project over here and finish the bumper bars. And we got this to help with it. I'm still going to use the other desiccant dryer, but I figured, hey, I already spent the money on a new compressor, I might as well get a commercial dryer. And then this box is from the same people I've gotten all the other products from Silco. They should be acceptably packaged. They always do a real good job of bubble wrapping everything. Double box. And let me get all that unwrapped. I'll show you what we're going to be working with. Okay, so here's what you get in the box. I went ahead and bought the Silco brand adhesion promoter for plastic. It's a plastic primer. And then I went ahead and bought another gallon of the high solids primer filler. And they also threw in a couple of paint sticks. You've seen how well it was packaged, but they've shipped everything with no dents really, and looks new. So they do a really good job. I'll leave a link in the description for that. But we've got to get these bumpers cleaned up, and I went ahead and bought some sandpaper, some gray Scotch-Brite, and I'll show you on another video what's going to happen with all that and how we do it. I've already started on this one, but when I realized my air compressor went down, I quit. And we got the new air compressor, which I've got to wire in right here, and go ahead and get a reducer and everything. I haven't done anything with it, and it was pretty heavy to get in here by myself, but I've got to get that one out over here and then put this one in the air line, put it all up in here. And I think I'm going to run a 1/2-inch line instead of this little line here. I'm going to run a 1/2-inch line over there from this one, so we'll have a little bit more air volume. But as far as the channel update goes, you know, I've gotten a lot of questions about the Rust-Oleum paint. I'm going to do another video, Rust-Oleum Q&A, because I've gotten a lot of questions about it and what to do here, what to do there, kind of stuff. But I got a question about these. I asked how they don't get any runs in them by somebody, you know, because the video footage I did on these, I had to do it with my phone. My other batteries were dead. But I'll try to get better footage for you guys so y'all can see exactly how I'm doing it. Now, speaking of that, I do have another video coming out where we're going to show you how to set up a primer gun, what you need to do with a primer gun to get it to the spray pattern and everything. I'll set up a piece of paper right probably there in that area, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you how I set them up. I don't know if it's proper, but that's how I do it, and you can get the same results I get. We've got these bumper bars here and everything. The actual collision bars are structural. And now we've got the hood under here. We got another project for the hood because we're going to go ahead and cut it down. I got some new Dura Gold right there. And we're going to cut this down and I'm going to polish it for y'all so y'all can learn how to do a polish. I mean, we could just flow coat it again, but I want to do a polish on it. And like I said, we've got to get these bumpers ready, and I'll get another video. But this is just a little quick update. I did get the adhesion promoter here from Silco. I'll give y'all a review of it. They said it compares to the Bulldog brand. I'll leave a link in the description for this product. And I guess I could go ahead and leave a link for this one too, where you can get this QC3. But give this guy a look. I've already got this shirt dirty. But give this guy right here a look. He's got lots of great content, and you know, these shirts are actually really good quality, and the price isn't bad. He uses that money to give y'all more content on his channel. You can also donate. I suggest you do, and like and subscribe to him. He's got tons of content. He's always updating constantly. I've learned a lot from just watching his videos. So if you want to do paint and body work, you want to get into this kind of stuff, then go and visit his channel. But anyway, guys, that's all I've got for this video. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.